Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you unlock your full potential and achieve success in every area of your life. In today's video, we'll be sharing valuable advice and strategies that can empower you to thrive in various aspects of life. Whether it's personal growth, career, relationships, or health, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. 1. Personal growth. The foundation of success lies in personal growth. To excel in this area, it's crucial to set clear goals and develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and constantly seek opportunities for self-improvement. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Two. Career. When it comes to career success, it's essential to identify your passions and align them with your professional pursuits. Invest time in honing your skills, staying updated with industry trends, and networking with like-minded individuals. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and seize opportunities that come your way. 3. Relationships. Building strong and meaningful relationships is key to a fulfilling life. Surround yourself with positive and supportive individuals who inspire and motivate you. Cultivate effective communication skills, practice empathy, and invest time in nurturing your relationships. Remember, success is not just about personal achievements but also about the connections we forge along the way. 4. Health and well-being. Your health is your wealth. Prioritize self-care, maintain a balanced lifestyle, and make conscious choices that promote your physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest are essential for sustained success. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's a prerequisite for achieving greatness. In conclusion, as we wrap up this video, remember that success is a holistic concept that encompasses various aspects of life. By focusing on personal growth, excelling in your career, nurturing relationships, and prioritizing your health, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your full potential and living a successful life. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, remember to stay committed and stay focused.